In this video, you're going to see dun, ta da, it's all my bracelet collections. So, hi, hello, vanakkam, welcome to my channel Srileka Akash. You can see its sun has been shown some love towards us because it's winter started here in London. So, these are all my winter made. I have been making all this from at the beginning of October till today. So I'm just highly excited about this video for the reason that I'm going to show you all my trending bracelets and necklace collections which are made by me. So if you like handmade jewelry, just subscribe my channel and hit on to this bell icon so that you'll be getting notified of each video of mine. And then just if you like this video, please consider liking this video, giving a thumbs up so that I can get appreciated, I can feel appreciated through that like. So these are all like my most favorite pearl beads. So I wore this on Diwali, it's very amazing. And then let's see all this beautiful collections. If you like making the same bracelet, you can copy my style because this is for an idea. Actually, that is what I thought of, because if I showing you all these designs, then you can get an idea through this. If you are like someone like me who is an beaded jewellery enthusiastic, so that it's very amazing. Actually, I love beads, I love making my own bracelets, I love them. So these are all like small size beads with golden beads and the purple beads. Actually, they look very beautiful, I love them. I was just highly excited. As I told you before, my tongue is getting sting so that I can't talk because it's heavy cold here. I was just sitting in front of heater to feel the heatness now because it's freezing cold for me actually, because people even feel that -5 is too not freezing for somebody, but it's now only 9 degrees for me. I feel freezing. That's why it differs for every people, right? Differs on body condition, differs on people to people how they feel the cold. So these are all my new bracelets. I love them. I hope you do like it. I got all the beads. Some of them I got them from the shop directly, and some of them are purchased in online. And here we go now, the latest seed beads, rice beads bracelets. That is what I'm wearing now. I love them. I just love wearing them. It's very trendy and very classy, right? That is what its speciality is all about. I liked it. I didn't like the mixed color, that's why I made only single one. But I like the single colors, so that these are all my bracelets. I hope you all like it. They look very beautiful, isn't it? So then let's move on to my most favorite necklace part. So necklaces are made with clay beads and pearl beads. So these are all my normal beads. They look very beautiful, right? I love them. As I told you before, today is my best day, and these are all the clay beads. They look very beautiful. Blue one is my most favorite, but I didn't got many beads on that color.